Sanbunani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. Now guys, remember last week's episode ended with Musa and Usfiso battling one another because Usfiso was there to arrest Musa. So this episode actually opens up with that scene. So anyway, on this scene, Usfiso and Musa are still battling there. Musa's busy kicking in the air, guys. Umashabalala ngalada, she's like, hey, Bagiti. Uzethu ngalana is like, hayi bo Sifiso, ungamlimazi. Unomfundo zakusizani. That time, guys, kugcwele abantu outside of the Hlongwane yard. They are busy taking videos and watching, guys. No one is even coming to help, but I understand. Usifiso there is busy backing with Musa. He's like, Musa ngiyacela, yehlisa umoya. Umashabalala then says to those people who are busy standing, taking videos, she then says, anibuke nje, nimile, anamsebenzi walutho nje. Uzethu then says, Sifiso ngiyacela. Musa then says, ngeke ngikwazi ukubuyela, bazongibulala laphayana. Usifiso then says, they won't kill you on my watch, I promise you. Ngifuna ukusiza Musa. Musa eventually calms down, guys, and then Usfiso handcuffs him. He takes him away. As Usfiso is taking him away to the van, the community is busy clapping their hands for Usfiso. Umashabalala then says, anamsebenzi walutho nina. Musa, guys, the way he's crying there. Unomfundo then says, kubaba wakhe baba, ubuzama ukwenzani? Ubuzolimala laphayana. Everyone goes back into the house. The Hlongwane family, Usfiso calls off with Musa. Uzethu is just left standing there, guys. She doesn't know what to do, but you can see she wants to cry because she genuinely feels so bad for telling Usfiso where Musa is because she feels like she betrayed Musa. Anyway, again, next scene, we see Usfiso, Use police station, guys. He's sitting on one of those benches. He is looking down. He's not okay. Remember, Musa was sort of his client. But umsebenzi, guys, uyamphoqa ukuthi ambophe Musa, even though Usfiso engafuni. So Officer Dlamini yabona ukuthi ulokhuzana Usfiso is down. She gets him a glass of water and she comes over to him. She then says, how superhero. She sits next to him. She's like, bamba nanga manzi. He takes it and he keeps quiet. Udlamini then says, hey, ungafunga ukuthi sishonelwe lana. Usfiso then says, hey, you can say that again. Udlamini then says, yeah. Lalela Sifiso. Ngiyazi ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngalomfana. Kodwa lento eyenzekile besingakwazi nathi ukuyinqaba. Wena ukwazile ukuthi umbone lo mfana, wambona ubuyena. Ngala umphakathi mawumbona, basibonela isilwane nje. Into kumele ivalelwe ejele, uthathe ikhiwe zilahlelele. Kodwa wena uzamile, wazama ukumsiza. Ngiyazi akubonakali kanjalo njengamanje. Usfiso then says, ungani pho? Ngizizwa ngaphakathi ngathi ngizijikele uqobo lwami. Udlamini then says, kanjani manje? Usfiso then says, leli badge leli Dlamini. He points at his badge. Yilo engivikela ngayo abantu. Alingivikeli mina. Ngizizwa ngathi liyangibambezela empilweni. Yabona ngenkathi ngakhetha le ndlela yokuba yikhehla ngiphilisa abantu. Ngenza isifungo ngazithembisa ukuthi ngizobasiza abantu. Kodwa manje ngizizwa ngathi ngisiphulile leso sithembiso. Udlamini then says, musa ukuzithweza umthwalo omngaka Sifiso. Wena wenze isifungo sokuvikela abantu. Iyona nto oyenzile angithi. Yabana leli badge oyigqokile alikhethanga. Wena olikhethe. Yingakho ke you must wear it with pride. You can't have it both ways. It's either uyalikhumula or uyalifaka. Don't put one foot in and one foot out. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, is Usfiso thinking of quitting? Because I think it's this whole situation, no Musa, that he didn't want to utavalele Musa. So maybe he's feeling like him doing that is going against the very obligation of being, a healer of abantu. Anyway, next scene we see uVusi. He is walking from school nabangani bakhe. So this other friend kaVusi okuthiwa uSiphamandla, he then says, nithini ngale fight kaBusifiso no Musa. Angithi kugcwele isigodi ukuthi listen, uSifiso uginqe uMusa. It's the talk of the town. So uNokuzana uSiphamandla goes on to say, uyabona uBusifiso, uyabekezela. Mina, if it was me, I would have placed the gun between uMusa's eyes and blown his brains out. Nje kanjalo. You won't even be able to do anything. I'd be standing nje kanjalo. uVusi then says, wena ucabanga ukuthi kulula kanjalo Siphamandla? uSiphamandla then says, hawu bhuti, ayikhulunywa yimina lento. Kusho umgaqo, violence respects violence. Udlame respects udlame. Then the other guy umngane ke then says, hi mzala. He high fives uSiphamandla. He's like, hayi uyihlabe esikhonkotini. Mawukhuluma kanje. uVusi then says, ayikho lento oyikhulumayo wena. Uyasazi yini isibhamu? uSiphamandla then says, mina. 9 millimeters. I'd drag it on the floor like this. I'd pick it up and let it spit bullets. Ngiyakutshela bhuti eza. Miyabonakala that you'd never even held isibhamu saBusifiso. uVusi then says, usho ukuthini manje? Ngiyasazi mina isibhamu sikabhuti. I even know ukuthi sihlala kuphi. uSipha then says, hayi, kahle bo, musu kamba manga. I can tell by looking at you that if someone broke into your house, uzobaleka wena. Uye laphayana kumagumede uthi we ma, and then the rest of the other boys guys bahleka bani uVusi. The other guys bavuma bathi na vele. uVusi then says, hawu madoda, ningithatha kanjani kanti? Ayikho lento eniyikhulumayo, ayisuka. The rest of the guys, they just laugh. uVusi then says, ngizonibonisa. And then the scene just ends like that. Moments later, guys, we see the same Vusi going into ikamera likaSifiso. He uphethe iphepha almost as if he wrote down possible passwords to the safe kaSifiso where he keeps his gun. So ulokuzana uVusi angene, guys, he's busy punching in the pen there, trying to open up the safe because he wants to take out the gun to prove to his friends that, listen, he's the man. Niyayazi atolike. So he's trying there, guys. The only thing that disturbs him is that ingane kaMaNkwanyane cries, and then uMaNkwanyane then says, ongiyeza. And then obviously you can see that uMaNkwanyane uzongena ekamereni or something, and that's when he walks out, and then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, in the Shongwane family, they are seated, kuyadliwa, guys. Ubaba uZenzo then says, ngizongena kanjani ngaphansi kwemoto isisu sithwele ukudla kangaka? Everyone ahleke. uMashabalala then says, hawu baba, kanti akuwena othe ulambile. The rest of them, they laugh. uNomfundo then says, hawu ma, uZethu akazudla nathi. uMashabalala then says, hayibo, where's Zethu? uZethu then says, ma. uMashabalala then says, buya bo. uZethu walks into the kitchen, guys. Uhuka ini suitcase, guys. Unga then says, manje, umthwalo mngaka. uZethu then says, ngiyeGoli. Everyone is shocked. uNomfundo then says, eGoli? Ungangitsheli ukuthi ubuyele eGoli ngaphandle kwami. uZethu then says, hawu kahle ukuthanga bo. I would never do such a thing. Lisathi shwi kancane, ngiyobona uLerato. Vele, she's been waiting for me. It's been a while since we've seen one another. Unga then says, where's Zethu? Are you sure you're not running away from izono zakho? uZethu then says, izono ziphi? How? I did what I thought was right at the time. Futhi nje akubuhlungu ndawo, anginamahloni, angiphulanga mthetho mina. uMashabalala then says, manje pho ntombami, ubungashongo ngani ukuthi uyahamba izolo? uZethu then says, I'm sorry mama, it was a last minute decision. Ngifuna nje ukuyopholisa ikhanda kancane. uMashabalala then says, umatron yena uthini? uZethu then says, hayi, yena ungiphile i-leave yey'nsukwana. But if it were up to her, ngabe ungipha inyanga yonke. uMashabalala then says, wentombi Zethu, ubomqaphela lo muntu wesifazane, uyinyoka kabi. Wena uzothi ukunikeza ilifi kanti uyaxosha. wenze sure that whatever agreement that you have with her, ibhalwe phansi, uyisayine ke nawe. Uzethu then says, okay, ngiyakuzwa ma, ngiyakuzwa. Kodwa-ke khuleka ngoba ngizobuya before she even thinks of any ideas. Uzenzo then says, mhlampe-ke mntanami, while you in Joburg, you can look for other jobs. Ngoba le ndawo yasekliniki ayikufanele neze. Uzethu's phone rings ke guys. Uzethu goes on saying, ngiyabonga baba. Umangobe benisacela ukuyiphendula kancane. Uzethu steps aside. She's like, mtha, Mangobe then says Tutu, ngempela, you following uShobane all the way to Joburg? Uzethu then says, yeah, ngishonga lento. Futhi phela akunajika njengamanje hawu. Ngiyabonga for ukungichecka, kodwa ngizokufonela mengifike eGoli. Sharp ne? She hangs up, she gets back to her family, and then she says, hayi ke, angigibene umgaqo. UMashabalala then says, ntombi yami, you can't go without eating. Indekabi le ndlela. Uzethu then says, hayi cha ma, ngiyabonga. I've already eaten. UMashabalala mbhekela to say, Zethu ngiyacela. Uzethu then says, serious ma, ngidlile. Nomfunda then says, hayi ke, I would think you keep ke. Uzethu then says, all right. And then the mother, uMashabalala nezenzo baphakame. Uzethu then says, wonke umuntu ke akangikhaphe ke. The dog can walk me out as well. They laugh, guys, and then they take Uzethu out. Guys, Uzethu, what does she mean? I don't understand. Why? What does she want from uShobane when he's treated her so horribly and showed her his true colors? I can't. Next scene, guys, we see uMangobo clinic, guys. She is sitting on the clinic chairs, and then uMakhumalo walks in. uMakhumalo is the shop owner wendawo. She then says, how? Mangobo, nguwe no? Mangobo, you can see, guys, she's seeming out. She even looks out because Vele, she is dressed all fancy. Like publicly, Mangobo, I would not even have thought that about her or that she would call them. Mangobo then says, yebo sawubona. Makhumalo then says, ola, yazi bengacabanga ukuthi wena uyawahamba lama clinic. Bengicabanga ukuthi uhamba la azimele with the fresh air. You can see, guys, uMangobo is just irritated. She doesn't even want Makhumalo to speak to her. Makhumalo goes on to say, the ones where you open the water and it bubbles up. Mangobo then says, cha. Kanti nale right, iyawenza umsebenzi. As she's speaking like that, her phone rings, guys. So she's searching her bag. She's trying to take out her phone. On her lap, guys, there's a pamphlet, just a clinic that is written family planning. And uMakhumalo sees it. So anyway, uMangobo, she answers her phone. She's like, nga. Unga then says, Mangobo, ukahle. Angingakubona usuku lonke namhlanje. Mangobo then says, musaphumile nga. Unga then says, oh. Ingaba konke kuhamba kahle after everything that happened is all. Mangobo then says, yeah, everything is okay. Ngiyabonga ngokungichecka. Unga then says, kulungile. Mangobo then says, ngizobona. And then she hangs up. uMakhumalo then says, yaziwe Mangobo, belisafisa ke nami ukuthi uNomusa wayazinakekela ngayo le ndlela. You can see ukuthi obviously uMakhumalo is speaking about the pamphlets. You can see, guys, uMangobo, she's irritated. She then says, ubanothe ingane angiyifuni mina. Ngepheshana nje engiliphethe usucabanga ukuthi ingane angizithanda. uMakhumalo then says, how phela Mangobo, leli pheshana yisho ukuthi uhlele umndeni nje. uThando, the nurse, she pops in. She then says, yicala olandelayo. uMangobo then says, ngizokubona Makhumalo. She gets up, she's the next one, and then that scene just ends like that. Guys, uMakhumalo, she uyagobhoza. We all know shop owners. I am sure she's gonna go around telling people that she saw uMangobo clinic. And listen, it might get to uShwabi, and Shwabi might get mad at uMangobo. I don't see this ending well. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uShobane. He is in bed with who? No Lerato. uLerato ubani, guys? uLerato is uZethu's friend waseGoli. So they done doing the deed, guys. They're busy laying in bed. Lapayana, Ulerata, she's half naked. She then says to Shobane, I wish you had at least given me the chance to take this stuff off. She's talking about ilanjare yak. Ushobane then says there was no need, mama. You're so beautiful, yes. And then Lerato asheg. Lerato then says, yes, you're killing me. Ushobane then says, damn, girl. Like to say hi, unkonzo yase kamerena ikedi I shy. So Lerato keeps quiet awkwardly. And Ushobane can see uchi ingati corner ogumhiayo. Ushobane then says, how yindaba. What's going on? Lerato then says, Zethu says that she's on her way. She's staying with me for a few days. Ushobane closes his eyes and he breathes out. He then says, Yini, uzofunani la? Lerato then says, she said that she will explain when she arrives. Maybe it's work related. Maybe it's work stuff. Ushobane then says, so what? Ufuna ukuthi ngihambe? Ufuna ngihambe ngempela? Lerato then says, I mean, of course, sizobonana, but not here. We can meet at your place. Ushobane then says, Lerato, angiyona ingane mina. I can't keep hiding yibalega. Uzethu yi-ex yami. Ungowami wena. Manje awusho. Simtshela nini uzethu ngathi. Lerato then says, but. Ushobane then says, no, honestly. Mele azi ngathi. You're my woman. Lerato then says, okay. Hear me out, ne? Let's not involve her in our business. Ungamfagi. Let's just finish what we started and leave uzethu out of all of this. Ushobane then says, uyaphi uzethu bandla. Lerato then says, angazi. Phuma kuyena. And then she kisses him to distract him. And then that scene just ends like that. Guys, remember uMatron did say that she wants Ushobane to get a girlfriend yomntwana. This girl is umntwana owomSotho, while the girl is around those tribes. So listen, uMatron is going to be happy as long as it's not uzethu nje. But my question is, Lerato lo, how long has she been jollering no Shobane? Because from episode 1, we could see ukuthi Shobane, he is uchitela uzethu. Njengoba uzethu is busy mangling this man, she's gonna be surprised ukuthi from day 1, lo mfana uShobane has never been loyal. Last scene, we see uSiphamandla, guys, umngane kaVusi. He is waiting for uVusi. You can see they're still at school. Angazi ukuthi did they bunk a class, but they're still within the school premises. So uVusi afike. uSiphamandla then says, hi wena Beyonce. Wangimisa isikhathi esingaka. Ngisho nentombi yami ayingimisa isikhathi eside kanjena. Kade wenzani? uVusi then says, yini manje? Ena, linda mfana. Kanti yini ngawe? How? Awusakwazi ukulinda Sipha? Buka ke. Yabona lento engizokutshengisa yona khona manje yinkulu kakhulu mfana. uSipha then says, yini? uVusi then says, let me get it. He opens his bag. He's like, ipili mpahla le. He takes out his spam. Gasfisa, you guys. uSipha then says, Vusi, is this what I think it is? He tries taking the gun away from uVusi. uVusi then says, Ima, how? uSipha then says, yazi, I didn't believe you. uVusi then says, yabona mfana njengamanje, ngizokufaka esikolweni ke mfana. uSipha then says, He's so excited, guys. He cannot believe his eyes. uVusi then says, yabona lento siyisebenzisa kanje. Uyaqala ukhethe la ufuna ukushaya khona. He's pointing with the gun, guys. He's aiming somewhere. He then says, bese uvalile ihleli lodwa. U-aim. Yabona usukhethile ukuthi ufuna ukushaya ini noma ufuna ukushaya bani. Uyayidonsa ke mfana. Pa. uSipha then says, letha la. uVusi then says, yey mana phela. This thing is dangerous. uSipha then says, ungazongijwayela kabi wena. Umisa isikhathi esingaka kanti umisela ithoyisi. uVusi then says, akulona ithoyisi leli. Bamba bafu bamba. Kodwa ungadlali ngaso. He gives uSipha ispam. uSipha then says, kahle wena, is this real? He looks at the gun, guys, and then he cocks it. As you cocks it, you can see uVusi is scared because he can see uSipha Bukanda shisa. When uSipha clocks the gun or cocks the gun, he's like, whoa. Uzwile ukuthi sikhala kanjani? They busy laughing there. uVusi then says, pass. uSipha then says, where Vusi? Vusi yabona ukuthi siphetheni lana. I have heaven in my hands, bro. Uvusi then says, maletha ke. Usipha then says, mana. Khona into engifuna ukubonisa yona. Uvusi then says, cha, letha. Usipha then says, buka. Uvusi then says, pha, yini ngawe. Now they're fighting over the gun. Usipha's like, no, ngifuna ukutshengisa something. Guys, that gun ends up going off. We don't even know who got shot or what they shot at, but the episode ends there. Guys, I'm just like, shame. Uzfi, so the trouble he's gonna get into for this, I really hope that no one was hurt. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.